It's my birthday! Ta-da!
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, we'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down.
Hello everybody, as you guys can see, I look like a mess right now, but we are going to fix that today.
But before that, here are some golden bloopers, cause why should I have all the fun?
So hi guys. No, I'm not doing that. So again, hi everybody, welcome. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanki. I hope you are enjoying my birthday video marathon week. And in today's video, I'm going to start doing my birthday glow up. I have a lot of things planned as a part of glow up, or I don't know, birthday makeover. So I don't think I can fit everything in one video. I'm going to do face, body, hair. So I have to like split. And in today's video, I am going to do a full face makeover, at home facial, hair removal. Even considering my brows, it has grown so much, I have to fix it, and I'm going to do it on my own. Then I think I'm planning to do something for my underarms because I feel like pampering myself. So I don't think I can do anything for my hair in this video, but we will do it, don't you worry. Yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, we are all done. Now let's start with first cleansing because I just woke up. There's nothing on my face right now. So let me just start with cleansing my face. And for cleansing, I always do double cleansing. So let me start with a cleansing balm, which is this one. By the way, this video is nowhere sponsored or any of the products are not gifted. Everything I bought it and I use it on a daily basis, and I have made tons of videos regarding all these products. So this is what I genuinely use on a daily basis. So just putting it out there. Anyway, so I'm going to start. This is Plum's cleansing balm, and I'm going to put it on my face right now like this. And I'm not wearing any lens or glasses. You guys are my mirror, which is my screen basically. Look how it melts onto your skin and glides everywhere. Now when you are putting a cleansing balm, you have to put some water and then you have to massage a little bit. Then you will see this turns into a white thing, and which is when you will understand that your face is cleansing properly. If you skip that step, your double cleansing is of no use. You are literally wasting your cleansing balm. So make sure to do that. Anyway, I'm going to do that on my washroom right now. So I'm going to come back after that. I'm back. Now I'm going to apply a gentle cleanser. I use the Cleanse Me Gentle Skin Cleanser. I'm going to take a little bit, so around this much, and I'm going to just lather up my face with it. It doesn't actually foam up, but it does what I need as a dry skin person. This is freaking gentle and I love the texture of it. So as you can see, it is not showing up on your face because it doesn't, but I can feel it cleanses. It's a very gentle cleanser. If you have a oily skin, I don't recommend you this one, but if you have a dry, normal skin also works with this. Also, you can use this as a winter cleanser. I use it all 4 seasons though. So yeah, I'm going to just quickly go and wash my face and come back again. Just a heads up, there will be a lot of going, washing and coming back. So be prepared. Okay, I'm back and I'm fully cleansed. You can just see how matte my skin looks right now because I have cleansed. Shout out to my dry skin. I'm going to start shaving right now, and I think I'm going to take you guys a little closer so that you can see what is happening. But first, bunny time. Okay, let's apply a little bit of oil. So now for shaving, I generally use a oil that helps the razor to glide on easily and you don't get much cut. It just makes your life a little bit easier if you use oil. Also, if you are oily skin, use aloe vera gel. That works really good. So I use generally castor oil for my face because it kind of suits my skin. I've been doing this for literally more than 2 years and it has never reacted or anything. I'm just going to apply it little by little where my hair is, my peach fuzz. Now I'm going to use my Tinkle razor and start shaving my face. So I have already made a lot of videos on face shaving. So if you want the techniques, you can check this video out. Now I'm going to just start. Can you see that? All my hair is coming out. Do I need to show you guys this? This is really gross. All this came out of my face. Okay, so let's do my forehead right now. I do a little bit thing that I want to show you guys. That's why I'm focusing on forehead. I have very little forehead, and so what I do, I little bit push back my hairlines to make my face look a little balanced. So I'm going to just show you guys how I define my hairline. So first I'll take all my main hair away, and then what is left here, I just remove it. Can you see the new line? And then also I go back and make sure all the hairs are gone. like that. Can you see the clean line over here? So I'm going to do it here as well. Here as well, I just continue the line. Now I'm going to do my brows, which is the main thing. Now before doing my brow, what I do is I like to brush my hair. I use this one and comb my hair up to see this line under which I want to remove all the hair. So I do that. By birth, I did not have this shape. I made this shape. If I grow my whole brow hair, my brow is still this. I just made it look like this because I wanted a bigger eyelid space to do all my creative looks. Okay, now you can see this part of hair I want to get rid of. Now you are going to use the razor and take out all the hairs. I know many of you use tweezers for removing or plucking out brow hairs, but that is too painful. I have tried that and that's not my cup of tea, so I stick to razor. That's a lot of hair. Yeah, that is pretty much it. See how clean it looks right now? Now I'm going to stretch this and get rid of middle hairs. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. Now one more thing I don't have today, but I generally have this all the time, so I'm going to mention this. So if you have a little bit uneven hair on the front section or anywhere here, so what you're going to do is take a scissor, just stretch this part and slide it like this and just cut it off. So it will be like this straight line like mine. And yeah, so now is the time I put on a little bit of face mask. Zoop back to original position. Now I'm going to put on a face mask, and today I'm in a little bit of DIY face mask mood. So I'm going to put on a neem face mask. I'm getting a little bit of acne, and though it's going away, but I think I need to put on a neem face mask because I haven't put on a neem mask for more than 3 to 4 months and I feel like it today. So I'm going to use as usual neem powder, and this one is from Alps Goodness. This is what I have stored it. Yes, I have stored it in a kulfi box and I don't have the packaging with me. Trust me guys, if I had, I would have shown you guys. This is so freaking neem. This is organic neem powder and I hate the smell of the neem powder. I even don't like the taste of it. It's so bitter. But anyways, it's good for health, good for skin, but bad for my taste buds. What can I do? I'm just talking a lot. Let me just make the face mask. I'm going to just not put anything, just this one and a little bit of water and make it a paste and apply. You can also use rose water or any other thing that you want. So I'm feeling a little bit lazy today, so I'm going to use water only. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks a lot like henna though. So I'm going to use my hands. Because why not? This smells bitter.
You better talk nice to me. I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee. Got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when...
Okay, I'm finally done putting on the face mask and I'm going to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes depending on how much time it takes to dry. I'm not going to make it super dry. I'm going to just keep it in the middle and then wash it off. And yeah, that's it. And I tell you guys, my whole soul smells like neem. I hate this smell so much. It's so bitter. I don't like it. Anyway, I have some time to kill right now. Oh, I just forgot. I should also remove my hair from the nostrils that I do. But should I do it right now or should I wash my face and then do it? So for removing hair from my nostrils, I use a nose trimmer. This is a really good nose trimmer, by the way. You don't need battery for this one. It comes with a charger, but I've been owning this for over a year, but I didn't charge it ever. So I don't know what they has put inside this. So it goes on brilliantly. Anyway, let's shut up and start. I think it's fine right now. By the way, everything that I'm using in this video, I'm going to link everything down in the description box for you guys to check out. So I have a lot more time now to kill.
Stop it!
Snack time. Okay, so near about 10 minutes has passed and you can see around this region and even a lot of other spaces, it has dried up and it has started to make my skin a little, that feeling you get after your face pack gets dried up. So I think this is the right time that I'm going to wash my face because I don't want to get this feeling from this area also because my cheeks are super dry. So now I'm going to wash my face, put on a little bit of moisturizer and come back. So I'm finally back and this is what my face looks like right now. It looks so freaking fresh and healthy. I mean, look at the glow. Now after I have moisturized my skin, I'm going to put up sunscreen, which is the most important thing for any kind of skincare routine, pampering routine. I'm going to use Blessing Tree sunscreen lotion. This is my current favorite and I've talked too much about this sunscreen, so I'm going to shut up now. I like to apply 3 fingers. Yeah, so these 3 fingers.
You better talk nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest, that's a short-term
So I'm going to quickly move on to the next part of my pampering sessions, which is basically I am going to scrub my armpits. So I don't have any hair because I'm pretty much regular with trimming my hair, but I do like to put on a little bit of mask and pamper my armpits 1 time every 15 days. So which is I'm going to do now. And for that, I basically use all the products that I don't like on my face. I use it on my body as well as on my armpits. So I'm going to first put on scrub and just clean because I love the after effect of scrubbing my underarms. It feels so smooth. So now I think I'm done applying the scrub. It's a biotic scrub, papaya scrub. I don't apply it on my face because that's too harsh and I hate the scrub on my face basically. So I apply it on my body. I'm going to wait for like 10-15 minutes and then wash it off.
No.
So I'm back after washing the scrub. So look at how clean my armpits looks right now. It's super smooth, by the way. Basically all the dirt and dead skin cells are gone. That is why I love to scrub my underarms and then apply this one. This is from Dermdoc. I don't use this on my face, so I use it on my body, especially armpit, because it helps to reduce hypopigmentation and even out your skin tone. So yeah, just that. By the way, also a disclaimer, there's nothing wrong with dark underarms. It's literally the most normal thing ever, but only if you want to. You can just pamper it, you know. Now I'm going to go with moisturizer. So putting moisturizer on all over your body is so freaking important so that your armpits doesn't get too crusty and dry and hard. Okay, hello again. Now it's the final stage of this video. So basically now I'm going to show you guys my 3-step which I religiously follow on those days when I don't feel like putting on tons of makeup or I don't feel like doing anything, but still I want to look cute, I want to look put together. I also sometimes feel like I need to appreciate my own skin, and on those days I do this, and it's just 3 simple steps and you all have all these things at your home. So yeah, let's start. So the first thing that I do is to glow. I religiously apply this illuminator, which is Swiss Beauty's Pearl Illuminator. I love the texture of it. I just load my face up with this illuminator. Now I'm going to just massage it all over my face. I even put it on my collarbone. Yeah, just going to smack this on my face. I mean, look at that glow. Just look at that glow. I mean, this looks so natural and nobody is going to guess that you are not glowing from within. This is so cool. I love this illuminator. Now I'm going to put on skin tint blush. Do you guys have anything to say at this point? The one that I am crushing over is Nikki Skincare's blush and lip gel in the shade Chicky Nude. It's very pigmented, so better you blend well. Look at this difference. It looks so pretty on your cheeks. You know, I don't appreciate my dark circles. I mean, I used to hate it, but my relationship with my dark circle has improved, I would say. I'm not still friend with her, but I do appreciate her presence, her existence. And putting on this blush just makes her existence a little better for me. I don't know you guys are understanding what I'm saying, but just, yeah, I'm freaking glowing and I haven't put any makeup. So love it. So the third and the last item is a lip gloss. This freaking changes your mood. On those days when I don't feel like getting up from my bed, I freaking put a lip gloss on and then I feel like a queen. And look, everywhere I'm glowing. I just told you guys I love to glow and I'm just the disco ball. So yes, this is my finished look. So freaking glowing and natural and fresh. My skin looks so healthy. I mean, started off with a crusty dry face and now to this. I love it. Okay, so the transformation for this video stops here, but it doesn't end here. I have to still do my hair. I want to color my hair. Yes, I'm going to do it right now, which you guys are going to see tomorrow. So big reveal tomorrow. What will be my hair color? I even don't know. So I'm going to go really random this time. I have to also pick up my birthday outfit, do makeup, and also I'm planning to steal a lot of tea of my life. Yes, hold your breath. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment. You guys know the drill. Still, I'm going to mention subscribe, click the bell button so that you guys get notified every time I come up with a new video. So yes, I'm going to go now. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want everybody else to give. I gotta be the one for me, cause no one else